वो लम्हा आ गया है जी जिसका इंतजार किया जा रहा था और इस वक्त संजय मंजरेकर मौजूद हैं और टॉस इस वक्त होने जा रहा है।
On my left, Dasu Shanaka, captain of Sri Lanka. I'm going to ask them to join me in the center. It's time to ask the match referee for today's game, Javagal Srinath, to come and join us and do his duties. The home captain for today's game is Babar Azam. So he'll flip the coin. Heads is the call. And it stays, and Pakistan have won the toss. What are you going to do?
We will bat first.
And the reasons for that?
Reason behind, we are just trying to run on the board and put pressure on them. And second thing, the pitches behave differently.
Lots of injury issues for you. We also learned that you made some changes from your 11 that you announced before the game. Couple of changes, I believe.
Yes, unfortunately, he's a back spasm in the warm-up. He's not playing. Fakhar is come back, and South Spill is not playing. He is a fever. So Abdullah Shafiq is playing.
Well, all the best for today's game.
Thank you so much.
So Dasun, tell us, what would you have done had you won the toss?
I could have bowled first since the rain is around, and plus there will be more assistance to the spin here.
So, we shouldn't have come out here actually, because he wanted to bat first, he wanted to bowl first. But tell us something about how the game has gone so far, close game against India. So you must be actually confident after that result.
Of course, we got that confidence with bowling, but the way we batted, we had our chances. We couldn't capitalize on that, but it didn't turn much at night, so there's a factor for us to bowl first.
Any changes you've made in your playing 11?
We got a couple of changes. Pramod Madhushan comes for Kasum Rait, and Kusal Janit comes for Dimut Karnaratne.
Right, all the best, Dasu.
Thank you.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।